Okay, so today we are going to do question number 28, and this is from exercise 3.2, class 9, and this is on the topic expansions. This is the question number 28. A is equals to 1 upon a minus 5. Then I have to find the value of a minus 1 upon a, second a plus 1 upon a, and third a square minus 1 upon a square. But the problem is they have given me this value. I need a proper value. In order to get a proper value, what I need to do, they have given me also a hint in the page, in the same question, they have given me the hint. How to solve the hint? If I shift this part on that side, I'm going to multiply. So a into a minus 5, and on that side what is left? 1 is left. So when I multiply both of them, I'll be getting a square minus 5 a equals to 1. And then I can shift 1 on this side, and I'm going to get a square minus 5a minus 1 equals to 0. So this is what the hint is also given to me. Okay, now the problem is I didn't still got the value. I need the value. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide everything by a. Everything by a. In this equation, dividing, you can write dividing by a. So if I divide everything by a, you guys might know the answer for some of them. A and a is going to get cancelled out. What is left? A is left. And thus a and a get cancelled out. Minus 5 minus 1 upon a equals to 0 divided by a. I'm going to get 0 again. But I need to shift minus 5 on that side. So what do I have left? A minus 1 upon a equals to minus 5 goes on that side. What's the value? 5. Now you might see the very first part and this thing that I had to find. What did I have to find in the very first part? A minus 1 upon a. Iski value ढूंढनी थी. What's the value for that? Can you guys see? A minus 1 upon a is 5. Okay. So the very first part is done. Now I need to find out the second part. How to find the second part? What I'm going to do, a minus 1 upon a, I'm going to put a square formula. You guys know the formula. If you guys don't, go to this go to the chapter, the third chapter, the very first page. You're going to find the formula. A minus 1 upon a equals to a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. This is the formula. Now, if you guys might notice this, that I have the value of this. So what's the value of this? 5. 5 ka square is a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. 25, and 2 comes from that side to this side and it becomes plus 2. Then a square plus 1 upon a square is equals to 27. So, but I still didn't got the value of this. How to get the value of that? So I'm again going to use a different formula. What is a different formula I'm going to use? I'm going to apply a plus 1 upon a formula. That is a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. Again, if you guys go to the very first page of this chapter, you're going to find this formula also, this formula also. Through this formula, I was able to find the value of this. Now this value, I'm going to go and put it over here. Can you guys see this part? Okay, so what's the value I have? 27 plus 2. That is a plus 1 upon a square. I hope everyone is able to see this. Now 27 plus 2, that becomes 29, and a plus 1 upon a whole square. Now square goes on that side and becomes root 29. So a plus 1 upon a, what is my answer? Root 29 is my answer. Okay, so we were able to find the value of this, this and this. I got the answer for this, that is 5. I also got the answer for this, that is root 29. And I can put plus root 29 or minus root 29, both are same. Now my problem is this, which formula should I use for this? Now this one formula, a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. This is the formula I'm going to apply for this. So a square minus 1 upon a square, what's going to become? A plus 1 upon a and a minus 1 upon a. I hope every one of you guys agree with me. Now I have the value of a plus 1 upon a. What is the value of a plus 1 upon a? You guys can see, है ना? Very funny. Okay, so it's root 29, and then a minus 1 upon a is 5. So I'm gonna get the value a square minus 1 upon a square. So my value is 5 root 29. So this is my answer for the last part. Okay, now we are going to look at question number 31. Question number 31 says something like this. If a plus b plus c equals 12 and ab plus bc plus ca equals 22, then I have to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Now how to solve this question is, there are so many questions after 31 that are based on the same topic. Sometimes minus is missing, sometimes plus is missing, but you have to go with this formula. So right now I did apply the formula. Now I'm going to figure out what are the values I can put. Okay, so a plus b plus c, I know the value, that is 12. So I'm going to write 12 over here and square as it is, equal as it is. Now a square plus b square plus c square, I have to find the value of this. So I have to leave it like this. Find the value of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2. And what is the value of this? The value of this is 22. So 2 into 22. 12 into 12. I'm going to get 144. That is 144. A square plus b square plus c square plus 44. I need to find the value of this. So I'm going to make sure that this thing stays on this side. Whatever I don't and somebody's that is troubling me, I'm going to keep that on this side. So what is that thing? That is 44. So I'm going to take this and put it on the other side. It's getting plus over here. It's going to go on the other side and get subtracted. A square plus b square plus c square. And my answer is 100. So this is what the value I had to find, and I got my answer as 100. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 35. Question number 35 says if a minus b equals to 7 and a square plus b square equals to 85, then find the value of a cube minus b cube. Now, if I have to find the value of a cube minus b cube, where does the formula come from? If you guys have seen this basic formula, that is a plus or a minus b whole cube. So the solution for this is going to be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Okay. Now, when I start putting this formula, I am sure about that I won't be able to solve this question. Why? Because I have the value of this, that is 7. I have the value of this. I have to find the value of this. But what is not given to me? AB is not given to me. It's a big task. Now, how to get AB? AB is not given to me. I won't be able to find. So what you need to do, if you need to do this question, you need to go little bit away from the question. So right now what I will be doing, I will be putting the formula of this. So what's the answer for this? A square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the answer for this. Now tell me one thing. What is the value of this given? That is 7. Square. What is the value of this given? 85 minus 2ab. Now if you guys see, then 7 sevens are 49 and 85 is going to go over here, and then minus 2ab is left. Okay, so if I subtract 85 from 49, what I'll be getting? So if I carry 1, 15, 15, 9, 6, 6 bacha, yahan pe 7, 7, 4, 36. What is left? 36. So 36, 85 is bigger, so I'll write minus and minus 2ab. So minus 2 is going to come down. It's going to become 18 AB. Now I got the value of AB as well. Now what to do? Now I'm going to go back to what I started with. I started with this question. I'm going to now come back to this question. How to solve? Now you guys know the value of A minus B. What's the value? I'm writing it over here. Okay. So A minus B, what's the value? 7 whole cube equals to a cube minus b cube. I have to leave it like this because I have to find the value of that. And then minus 3 into, what is AB? AB is 18. And then inside the bracket what's written? A minus B. A minus B value is 7. Okay. So 7 into 7 into 7, what will I be getting? Okay, what will I be getting is, okay, so after I multiply 7 into 7 into 7, I'll be getting 343 equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3 into 18 into 7, that's gonna be 378. But I don't need 378 over there because I just need to find the value of this part. So 378 is gonna come on this side, so plus 378 a cube minus b cube. So when I solve this, I'm gonna get 721 equals to a cube minus b cube, and that's what I had to find the value of, a cube minus b cube, and I got the answer.